Women attraction is won through the psychological, not the logical. So yung mga accomplishments mo, like yung income mo, yung savings mo, yung kotse mo, yung dami ng abs mo, yung on-paper achievements mo, those are logical credentials. They are secondary. Useless yung mga yan kung hindi mo pinoproject na mahalaga yung oras at attention mo. Kaya kahit marami ka pang pera, kaya kahit i-date mo pa siya sa Wolfgang. Kung palagi kang available, lagi mong binibigay yung attention mo, walang worth yung time and attention mo, wala din. Di ka niya ma-perceive as a high value man, as a superior masculine. So what truly matters is the perception of you she holds in her head. Isipin mo palagi that you are selling her a vision of a valuable life, hindi ka nagbebenta ng resume. Wala siyang paki dyan sa una. Titingnan niya lang yan kung attracted na siya sa'yo. Supporting documents lang yan, yung mga achievements mo.